Hey guys, mowers and blowers. As you guys remember, I got this Toro CCR 3650 snowblower. I got it from the street. My UPS guy gave me a call and says, hey, I was driving around, I saw this thing sitting there, gave me the address, was around the corner, I zipped out of my house, grabbed it, cleaned the carburetor and all that stuff, and it works great. All it needed was a primer bulb, and so I ordered one on eBay. Best deal was 5 primer bulbs for $11, free shipping. So that comes out to about $2.50 a primer bulb instead of paying $5 for one. I know I'm going to use this in the future, so why not just get 5? Save money that way. $2.50. Anyway, these are the generic ones. It doesn't even say primer on it. You know what I'm saying? It usually has letters and stuff like that on top, wording that says primer. These are just generic. That's why it's so cheap. But, you know, rubbery, feels good. And so today I'm just going to show you how to replace that primer bulb. It's really pretty easy. The primer bulb was worn out over the years, and basically it comes like a clip like that. 2 little clips, tabs, that go right into this area there with one middle input right there in the middle. Usually you can put this on its face. That's what I like to call it. And this tube right here is the primer hose. And basically once you have that in there, it hooks up to that hose right there. So when you push, it pushes air into the carburetor and injects fuel into the carburetor. That's a fuel line here. It was really easy to take this bottom cover off right here. It was just 2 screws. That's it. And this part just like sits in a bracket over here. Really easy. The panel, also very easy. 1 bolt, 2 bolts. And just put it back on. So now I'm going to fit one of these bulbs over it like that. Really easy. Just put it right over it. You know, it's rubbery. There you go. Just that easy, man. Well, maybe not that easy. Doesn't look like it's in there. There you go. You see that? The 2 little tabs need to be in there. So now we'll just take this hose here. Slip it on. Gotta push that down while I'm pushing in. There. Just like that. So I'm going to put the 2 screws on and secure this. I'll show you how this goes on here. Basically it just goes on there like that. 2 screws, 2 screws, and you're done. And that's the last of it. That's all there is to it. her out. Works pretty good, man. Really good. It's kind of wet snow too. Works good. I like it. One hand. Pretty clean. One-handed, man. Pretty slushy, you know? Not bad at all. I like it. Anyway, look at that. 2 minutes. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.